Well, it's an absolute privilege to be here and to be nominated for an honorary fellowship at Trinity St David. It's strange really being sat in that chair listening to people talking about my career and my last sort of 35 years of my life, when the people in that room have achieved so much in the last 3 years. It's quite humbling really, but it's a great privilege to be here as the Chief Constable and to share with them their journey and to continue the good work that we have with Trinity St David. My advice would be, you need to make your own luck in life as well, and to go with your gut instinct. I've been up and down the country working in different police forces. You heard in the presentation to me that earlier today I started here working as a delivery salesman for Brian in Castle Health Frozen Foods. What I saw in Brian was strong leadership, values of serving the community, and I think you can take some of those values and the style of leadership, and as you go through your career you learn about other people and you adapt your own style to those sort of areas really. So it was humbling beginnings for me, starting as a delivery salesman and then 35 years later being the Chief Constable in the same town as I started in. But as I say, follow your nose basically, and seize every opportunity you can get in terms of career and advancement in career.